In today's digital world, understanding YouTube and Google's algorithms is crucial for creators, marketers, and anyone seeking visibility online. While both platforms are owned by Google and share certain principles, their algorithms operate differently, given the unique nature of video versus web search content. Here, we'll dive into each platform's ranking system, how they work, and practical strategies for leveraging these algorithms to increase your content's reach and ranking. Google's algorithm, how it works. Google's search algorithm is designed to deliver relevant, reliable information to users quickly. The algorithm has evolved over the years, focusing heavily on quality content and user experience. Google's algorithm encompasses numerous factors that influence ranking, but they broadly fall into several categories. Content relevance and quality. Keywords. Google relies on keywords to understand the subject of your content. These keywords should match what users are searching for, and they should be used naturally within the content. Depth and quality. Google favors in-depth content that thoroughly covers a topic. This includes both the length of the content and its structure. Google also considers EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness, which means it prefers content written by authoritative sources or experts. User experience and engagement, click-through rate or CTR. Google measures how often users click on a link in search results. A higher CTR suggests that users find the title and description relevant to their query. Bounce rate and dwell time. If users quickly leave your site, Google may interpret this as a sign that the content wasn't helpful or relevant. Conversely, if users stay and engage with the page, it positively impacts your ranking. Mobile friendliness. With mobile devices now making up the majority of searches, Google uses a mobile-first indexing system, meaning it evaluates how well content displays on mobile devices. Page loading speed and core web vitals. Google assesses metrics like loading speed, interactivity, and layout stability. Pages that load quickly and offer a seamless user experience rank higher, as these factors correlate with user satisfaction. Backlinks and domain authority. Backlinks, links from reputable sites to your content signal to Google that others consider your content valuable and trustworthy. Domain authority. A website's credibility and history also play a role. Domains that consistently produce high-quality content over time gain authority, giving their new pages a ranking advantage. Google algorithm updates, staying on top. Google's algorithm is dynamic, with significant updates like Panda, Penguin, and BERT, transforming the ranking landscape. Recently, Google has increasingly used machine learning models like BERT and MUM, which stands for Multitask Unified Model, to understand complex queries and analyze content more contextually. To stay relevant, keep up with SEO trends and Google announcements. Regularly update your content to align with new standards. Focus on user satisfaction signals, like content relevance and engagement, rather than trying to game the system. YouTube's algorithm, the power of personalized discovery. YouTube, as a video-centric platform, focuses on maximizing watch time and viewer satisfaction. While Google's algorithm relies on keywords, backlinks, and site authority, YouTube's algorithm is centered around engagement metrics and personalized recommendations. YouTube's main goal is to keep viewers on the platform as long as possible, so it prioritizes videos likely to achieve this. Watch time and session time. Watch time. This is the total time users spend watching your videos. YouTube rewards content that keeps users engaged for longer periods. Session time. YouTube also considers how much time a viewer spends on YouTube after watching your video. If your video leads users to continue watching more content, it's more likely to be recommended. Click-through rate, or CTR. Similar to Google, YouTube's CTR is vital. Thumbnails and titles are crucial for capturing attention. Videos with high CTRs indicate that viewers find the content appealing. Craft engaging titles and high-quality thumbnails that accurately represent the video content without being clickbait. Misleading thumbnails can result in poor audience retention, hurting your ranking. Audience retention and engagement. Retention rate. YouTube tracks how much of your video viewers watch. Videos with higher retention rates signal to YouTube that the content is engaging and valuable, which increases ranking. Engagement metrics. Comments, likes, shares, and subscriptions are other indicators of engagement. These interactions signal to YouTube that your content resonates with viewers, and they can contribute positively to ranking. Personalized recommendations. Watch history and preferences. YouTube's recommendation system is highly personalized. It considers users' watch history, interests, and behavior to suggest relevant content. User feedback. YouTube actively collects feedback from users, such as not interested responses, which help the algorithm refine recommendations for individual users. Channel consistency and niche authority. Consistent content uploads, ideally focused around a niche, help your channel establish authority within that subject area. YouTube recognizes and rewards channels that continually deliver valuable content to a specific audience. Playlists and series. Grouping related content into playlists encourages users to watch multiple videos, enhancing session time and viewer engagement. How YouTube and Google algorithms interact. For creators with both a website and a YouTube channel, understanding how these platforms interact can really boost your reach. Although Google owns YouTube, each algorithm works independently, yet they complement each other in certain areas. Video snippets in Google search results. Google often displays video snippets in its search results. Videos that are highly relevant to specific keywords may appear here, driving traffic from Google to YouTube. Embedding YouTube videos on websites. Embedding videos on your website not only boosts on-page engagement, which is beneficial for Google ranking, but also improves the video's watch time on YouTube. Keywords and metadata. YouTube titles, descriptions, and tags can help Google index your videos for related search terms. Using keywords that perform well on Google search can increase the chances of your videos appearing in video search results. Ranking strategies for YouTube and Google. Optimize content for search intent. For Google, ensure that the content matches user intent by covering relevant subtopics and answering common questions. On YouTube, create content that is both informative and engaging, keeping the target audience in mind and aiming to answer their specific needs or questions. Optimize content for search intent. For Google, ensure that the content matches user intent by covering relevant subtopics and answering common questions. On YouTube, create content that is both informative and engaging, keeping the target audience in mind and aiming to answer their specific needs or questions. Create high-quality, engaging content. Quality trumps all. Google favors well-researched, authoritative content. YouTube's algorithm rewards engaging, watchable content. Aim for high production quality in videos and clear professional writing on websites. Encourage engagement and interaction. Encourage viewers to like, share, and comment on your videos, as engagement metrics heavily influence YouTube ranking. Similarly, encourage sharing and backlinking for Google, which can improve domain authority and page ranking. Use effective titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. For both platforms, effective titles and descriptions help attract viewers or readers. Thumbnails are crucial on YouTube, while meta descriptions and headings on Google help improve CTR. Use relevant keywords without keyword stuffing. For YouTube, include these keywords in your video descriptions and tags. For Google, aim for keyword-rich but natural language throughout the content. Optimize for mobile users. Since most searches and YouTube views come from mobile devices, ensure that all content is mobile-friendly. For YouTube, this includes considering how your thumbnail and video look on smaller screens. For websites, use responsive design and optimize for mobile loading speed to improve user experience and Google ranking. Regularly update and refresh content. Updating older content can improve Google rankings, as fresh information is highly valued. On YouTube, updating titles, descriptions, or even re-uploading enhanced versions of videos can sometimes help boost visibility. Understand algorithm changes and adapt. Both Google and YouTube update their algorithms regularly. Follow industry news, experiment with new techniques, and analyze performance to adapt your strategy over time. Both Google and YouTube are increasingly using artificial intelligence to enhance search capabilities and personalize recommendations. Google's shift towards understanding content contextually through models like Mum and BERT means SEO will focus even more on content quality and user intent. For YouTube, AI-driven recommendations are likely to become more sophisticated, meaning content that deeply resonates with specific audiences will gain visibility over broadly appealing but less engaging content. In the coming years, algorithms on both platforms will continue to reward genuine, high-quality content. Google will likely emphasize content that provides a comprehensive, accurate response to complex queries, while YouTube will favor creators who consistently deliver engaging videos that keep viewers on the platform. Ranking on Google and YouTube requires a combination of quality content, user engagement, and optimization. By understanding each platform's algorithms, you can create content that not only resonates with users, but also aligns with ranking factors, maximizing your reach and visibility. Ultimately, remember that both algorithms reward genuine efforts to provide value. So focus on creating content that serves your audience's needs, answers their questions, and keeps them engaged. As these algorithms evolve, a dedication to quality and adaptability will ensure your content stays relevant and competitive.